In 168 Hours, Laura Vanderkam argues that everyone has the same 168 hours each week, and how we use this time shapes our success and happiness. She encourages conducting a time audit, identifying core competencies, and focusing on activities aligned with long-term goals. The book offers practical tips for reclaiming time, like outsourcing tasks and prioritizing essential activities. In 168 Hours, Laura Vanderkam offers strategies for taking control of your time. A key theme is tracking your time to understand how you truly spend it. Vanderkam suggests conducting a week-long time audit to log daily activities, using tools like notebooks or apps. This helps identify time-wasting patterns and discover hidden free time. By becoming aware of how your time is used, you can redirect it toward activities that align with your values and goals. Let's take a look at the strategies to help readers manage time more intentionally. 1. Track your time. Vanderkam suggests logging daily activities for a week to gain an accurate picture of time use. Time audit. Track your activities to capture how you spend your 168 hours. Identify time wasters. Spot and eliminate activities that don't support your goals. Discover hidden time. Uncover extra time to redirect toward meaningful pursuits that align with your values. 2. Focus on core competencies. Vanderkam highlights the importance of focusing on activities you're best at and enjoy, while delegating or minimizing others. Identify your strengths. Reflect on your skills and passions to determine your core competencies. Outsource or minimize non-core activities. Delegate or reduce tasks like household chores or administrative work that don't align with your strengths. Invest in what matters. Prioritize time for activities that align with your strengths and long-term goals for a more fulfilling life. 3. Redefine work-life balance. Vanderkam suggests integrating work and life based on priorities, rather than separating them equally. Work-life integration: blend work and personal life, using flexible hours or remote work to align them with your passions. Quality over quantity. Focus on meaningful, impactful time spent in different areas, rather than the amount of time. Long-term perspective. Look at balance over weeks or months, not daily, for more flexibility and less pressure to have it all each day. 4. Use time blocks for key activities. Vanderkam advocates time blocking to prioritize important tasks. Schedule priorities. Block time for important activities like exercise, creative work, or family time. Protect time blocks. Set boundaries and avoid interruptions to safeguard your scheduled time. Be flexible but committed. Stay adaptable, but stick to your time blocks to reinforce the habit of prioritizing key activities. 5. Find joy in in-between moments. Vanderkam emphasizes making the most of small, unnoticed moments. Use small windows wisely. Use short breaks for meaningful activities like reading, podcasts, or reflection. Mindful transitions. Be mindful during transitions between tasks to reset and refocus. Celebrate small wins. Acknowledge small accomplishments to boost motivation and satisfaction throughout the day. 168 Hours fosters personal growth by aligning activities with values and goals through goal achievement, building good habits, and increased awareness overall. The book enhances productivity, time management, and job satisfaction, and promotes balance and intentional living. Some strategies may be hard to apply due to time constraints and individual differences, like assumptions about time. Flexibility may be unrealistic for demanding jobs or caregiving. Idealized management. The focus on productivity may not reflect life's complexities. Individual differences. The focus on outsourcing may not suit everyone's lifestyle. To conclude, 168 Hours by Laura Vanderkam encourages readers to take control of their time by making intentional choices about their daily activities. With a focus on time tracking, core competencies, and redefining work-life balance, the book provides a practical framework for a more balanced, fulfilling life. Whether you're pursuing personal goals, improving work productivity, or seeking more time for what you love, 168 Hours offers valuable strategies. While some adaptation may be needed for different life circumstances, its core message, we have more time than we think, empowers readers to live more intentionally and align their time with their values. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Goodbye for now, and thanks for watching with Kaizen Book Summaries.